Oh yeah, Craig, here's your new fire truck. That's a beauty. Hehe. Charters Tower Fire Brigade. What a ripper. Oh, that Fargo. Know the name, never seen one, I don't think. Well, that fire brigade, Craig. Fire truck for you. A bit of an oldie. That's an old International right next to it. Bushfires Council territory. This one here is using the back here by the looks. Look at this. Does this measure up as good as your fire truck, Craig? She's not a baddie, this one. Got all the gear on it. Yeah. This is probably a more modern one over here. This was the Katherine District's Rural Volunteer Bush Brigade. She looks pretty modern. This is the old Red International. Oh, they might get into trouble for those hoses. They need to be wound up. Big tanker. Wow. There you go. Look at that. And this one next to it is a wooden one. Look at this. There's a wooden bloody fire truck. Wow, boy, but well, it's got steel. Wow. The old wheels on her. Couple of ladders up on top. Extension ladders. Well, we'll go back to this Red International here because right next to it there's all your pump stuff. What do you say? You'd know a bit about that, Craig. Champion fire pump. There you go, look at that. The old oxygen. Try and stick the camera up, you might get a bit of a look inside the truck there. Look at this old girl. I'm not kidding you, that there is ply and wooden. Golly, there's a block in the back. Your door is steel. Gee, now that's what you call an old fire truck. I'll try and get the name of it in a minute. There's your wheels. Oh, look at that, it's called a Morris Commercial. That's what it is. Here's another one, here's the Dodge. The Dodge 1016. Look at that, it's got a bell on the front. Oh yeah, it's some sort of electric bell, it's not a little, you don't pull the lever. Battery operated one. Oh, look at that. Little fire truck again. I'll try and put this up, you might be able to get a bit of a look inside. Cub fire. This is some sort of extension, or you run all your hoses off there or gather. Got all the stuff on the side there to clip gear on. These are copper, by the look of it, these things. Oh, they're your nozzles, I think, that go on the end of your hose or something, whatever, extensions. All gear there. Oh, look at that, hose control. That's called hose control. This will be a bit of an oldie. Down in this cupboard, got all this sort of stuff. Up around the back. Wow. There's pipes up there you pull out for extensions, hoses, valves and stuff. Looks like it's all, I'll just reach up here with the camera, looks like it's all wooden or something up there. Still, what they did in the day, eh? Here's the other side, this is the passenger side. This is the passenger side here. Another hose control. Very similar to the other side. Cupboard, keep all your stuff in. Special spray things there, I gather, for your water. Fire extinguisher, that looks a bit modern.